In this video, I will show you how to get more tokens in Monopoly Go. Step number 1, create your own tokens. Use small objects or trinkets as additional tokens. You can select items that represent something meaningful to you or your group, such as coins, toy cards, buttons, or even small figurines. Step number 2, look expansions packs. Some versions of Monopoly offer expansions packs that include additional tokens. These packs are usually sold separately and may feature different than tokens or unique designs. Step number 3, DIY tokens. Get creative and make your own token using crafts materials such as clay, cardboard, or even 3D printing. If you have the necessary equipment, you can personalize them to reflect your interests or customize them based on game's theme. Remember that adding more tokens does not change the gameplay mechanics or provide any in-game advantages. It's primarily a way to enhance the visuals and thematic aspects of the game.